Hey guys, welcome back. Well, I have some somewhat breaking news from Mozilla. Apparently, I'm not the only one that was thinking that Firefox was getting slower. Just recently, they announced breaking news that Mozilla is making Firefox faster to compete with Chrome. This is from TheVerge.com. It says here Mozilla is promising big performance gains with its latest Firefox browser. The community went through Firefox with a fine-tooth comb to identify areas where the browser could speed up and load web pages quicker. This means scripts for Instagram, Amazon, and Google will load between 40 and 80% faster. Wow. Okay, well, I'll believe it when I see it. So it also says that Mozilla is also suspending idle tabs in Firefox if you only have 400 megabytes of RAM left on your system. Anyway, I'll have a link for this piece of news below in the show notes. But yeah, I'm looking forward for anything to run a little faster in both Windows and Linux. All right, well, that's all I have for this quick daily tech brief. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.